I'm Oscoda County Prosecutor Casandra, and I support justice.
Oscoda County Circuit Court Judge Casandra Morse-Bills is at the center of a growing corruption scandal that is raising serious questions about whether justice exists in her courtroom at all. A sworn affidavit from court clerk Heather Blundell accuses Morse-Bills of secretly texting with a juror during a sexual assault trial, then openly laughing about it, moments before jury deliberations. The juror, Richard Hoffman, was allegedly a personal acquaintance of the judge and her husband since being employed by the judge's husband, Ryan Bills, at the blue-collar clothing company in Mayo, Michigan. A relationship never disclosed to the court, a violation that strikes at the heart of judicial integrity. Morse-Bills didn't just cross ethical lines, she obliterated them. The judge allegedly mocked the situation, dismissed concerns, and displayed open, visible contempt for the defense, rolling her eyes, interrupting counsel, yelling, and repeatedly signaling bias in front of the jury. Defense attorney Shannon Smith, with more than 20 years of courtroom experience, described the trial as the most hostile environment she has ever encountered. She said the judge routinely berated her in front of jurors, falsely accused her of misconduct, and poisoned the jury against the defense. Smith stated the bias was so extreme she was left stunned. The defendant is now appealing his conviction, arguing the outcome was tainted by judicial misconduct and favoritism, and is demanding Morse-Bills remove herself from the case. This is not the first time Judge Morse-Bills has been accused of abusing her power. In 2022, she allegedly lied about a COVID outbreak at a county jail to prevent a defendant from appearing in court and calling witnesses, a claim later flatly contradicted by jail officials, leading to the case's dismissal. Other allegations include reckless conduct, driving her golf cart drunk with children on board, and using the bench to generate revenue through questionable ordinances, even overseeing cases as judge that she initiated as prosecutor. Morse-Bills has refused to answer questions, and court administrators have remained silent, an absence of accountability that only deepens public concern. At stake is more than one conviction. These allegations paint the picture of a judge who treats the courtroom as a personal fiefdom, where rules apply to everyone except the person wearing the robe.
Because instead of issuing tickets to send money to the state, we could be issuing tickets to send money into the county's pocket. I'm Oscoda County Prosecutor Casandra, and I support justice.
I was born and raised in this community, and I can tell you that this judge is an evil, evil woman, and she is not doing what she was elected to do. If you really look at it, she got here from a popularity contest, and her father owns half of the town. He's only here because of her daddy.
Because instead of issuing tickets to send money to the state, we could be issuing tickets to send money into the county's pocket. As the Board of Commissioners and their financial responsibility to the county, I think it's an important top of the agenda item to revamp these county ordinances.